Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to check email logs in Salesforce. This is incredibly useful when you need to track email activity, troubleshoot delivery issues, or verify that important messages were sent or received. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to click on the gear icon located in the top right corner of your Salesforce screen. From the menu that appears, select Setup. This takes you into the administrative area where you can access a wide range of configuration options, including email tracking tools. Once you're in Setup, look for the quick find box on the left side of the screen and type email log files into this search box. This will help you quickly navigate to the right section without having to browse through countless menus. It's a real time saver when you know exactly what you're looking for. From the search results, click on email log files. This opens the email logging interface where you can request detailed reports about email activity in your Salesforce organization. Now click the button that says request an email log. This initiates the process of generating a custom log based on the criteria you're about to specify. It's important to note that these logs don't generate instantly. They'll be prepared and sent to you via email once ready. Next, you'll need to set your start time and end time. Keep in mind that these dates must be no more than 7 days apart and must fall within the last 30 days. Salesforce has these limitations in place to manage system resources, so you may need to submit multiple requests if you're tracking activity over a longer period. If you want to narrow down your results, you can optionally filter by specific email addresses or domains. In the recipient, sender, or other available fields, enter the email addresses you want to focus on. If you're entering multiple addresses, separate them with commas. This is particularly helpful when you're investigating a specific communication thread or troubleshooting delivery to certain domains. You'll also see an option to select a mail event type. You can leave this blank to capture all event types, or choose a specific one if you're only interested in certain activities like bounces or deliveries. Next, choose your email direction. You can select outbound to see emails sent from Salesforce, inbound for emails received, or both. By default, Salesforce sets this to outbound, so make sure to adjust it if you need to track incoming messages as well. Finally, enter the notification email addresses where you want to receive the log file once it's ready. Again, if you're entering multiple addresses, separate them with commas. This ensures everyone who needs access to the log will get it delivered directly to their inbox. Once you've configured everything, click Submit Request. Your email log will be processed, and you'll receive it at the email addresses you specified. And there you have it. You've successfully requested an email log in Salesforce, giving you valuable insight into your organization's email activity. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.